To use the text replacements on iPhone 16e, first we need to open a settings on our phone and then scroll down, look for the general options and enter it. From here, scroll down again to the keyboard and select it. That way you'll be able to find text replacement and we can click on it like that to see all of the shortcuts that we already have. So as you can see, there's OMW, and if I type it in my keyboard, it will display as on my way. And you can add your own text replacements by clicking on the plus button, enter the phrase, for example, I like it. And then we can type in the shortcut. So ILI, save it. Then, as you can see, it's saved. We can go back to the keyboard. And then the shortcut displays on the top row of your keyboard and you can input it. So that is basically everything.